Hi, my name is Jasmine, and for today's yoga practice, we're going to do a 10-minute sequence to help release any tension in your neck or shoulders. Option to use 2 blocks and a strap, but if you don't have any, feel free to skip them. Let's start in a comfortable seat. You can always do this from a chair if you feel more comfortable sitting in a chair. Otherwise, I'm going to grab a block and sit on a block. I like to bring the block right between my heels and just sit until I find a comfortable position. From here, we're going to start with some shoulder rolls. We're going to bring our hands to our shoulders and closing the eyes, just begin to roll your elbows back, circling the elbows for a few breaths. Be with your breath here. Your breath is the most important tool we have to release tension out of the body, using the intention to use that exhale. And when you're ready, slowly reverse your circles. Stay present. Let's go ahead and do one more cycle. And release the hands down to your lap. From here, we're going to bring our right ear down to our right shoulder, and we're going to use our right palm to add a gentle weight to your left ear. Closing the eyes, bring your back up as if there was a wall back behind you, supporting the length of your spine. Just sitting tall as you breathe into that left side of the neck here. Two to four more breaths. I could stay here all day. This feels amazing. Let's take one more inhale here. And let the exhale release your right hand down to your lap. Gently gaze to center. And we're going to turn our head to the right side and breathe as we're looking over our right shoulder for a few breaths, stretching the left side of the neck. Soften the shoulders down the back. And again, imagine there's an imaginary wall behind you and you're leaning up against it. Let's slowly exhale to center, and we'll do the left side. Bring your left ear down the left side to the shoulder and place your left palm over your right ear. Add a gentle pressure, relaxing the right shoulder down from the ear. Breathe here. Take deep breaths. And just notice your tension melting away with every exhale. And let's exhale to release the left palm down to our lap. Gently bring your head back through center and looking over that left shoulder. Breathe here. Lean up against that imaginary wall. Feel the chest smiling open. Gently gaze to center. All right, here, option to change your seat if you need to come into a different seat. We're gonna be here for a few more poses. I'm going to come into a cross-legged seat and just cross my left ankle in front of my right. From here, we're going to come into eagle arms. We're going to start with our arms out wide like a T. And let's bring the right elbow beneath the left elbow, bending the elbows. Maybe this is where you are, or maybe you press your palms into each other. You can always grab a hold of your shoulders too. If you want to go into full eagle arms, you can cross through the wrist, and maybe your palms line up. From here, let's take a few deep breaths as you press the forearms forward and draw the shoulders down the back. Be with your breath. One more breath. Inhale here. And the exhale releases the pose. You bring the arms open. Inhale here, and then exhale to switch. Left elbow under. Bend the elbows and take your depth. Maybe you're here. Maybe you press your palms, the backs of your palms, back into each other, or you cross through the wrists, coming into full eagle arms. Press the elbows forward, press the forearms forward, draw the shoulders down the spine, and be with your breath. Allow yourself to have a gentle approach here towards your body, just towards life in general. Life tends to be pretty fast-paced, but we can slow our mind down. We can release that pressure and create a tempo that feels good for us. Take one more inhale, press the elbows forward, and gently exhale to release. You can stretch the arms open and release the elbows down. All right, from here, we're going to use a strap. If you don't have a strap, you can use a tie, you can use a belt, and we'll use it for our next pose. I'm going to turn around so you can see the pose. From here, you're gonna bring the strap into the right palm. Inhale, bring the right arm up, extend it up to the ceiling, and exhale, bend the right elbow, press the palm up against the back of your chest. From here, inhale, reach your left arm out to the side, thumb pointing down, and you're gonna exhale to bend the left elbow as you reach your palms towards each other. Maybe your palms don't touch, so you grab the strap instead. And here, we're just lengthening the elbows away from each other. Again, leaning back up against that imaginary wall. Lengthening through the triceps. Breathe here for a few breaths. Allow the shoulders to relax open and away from each other. One more inhale. And exhale to release. Let's slowly switch sides. You can bring the strap now into the left hand. Inhale, reach the left arm up. Bend the left elbow. Place the left palm behind the heart. Inhale, reach the right arm out to the right. Point the thumb down. Bend the right elbow and reach for that strap. Breathing here for a few breaths. This side might be tighter. And just allow your body to be as it is, accepting yourself where you are now. Take one more inhale here. And exhale to release. And that concludes our 10-minute yoga practice to release tension out of the neck and shoulders. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you had a wonderful practice. Till next time, namaste.